People of social media, I present to you all the bipartisan countdown to Election Day in the United States of America. We'll find out just which side of the duopoly will shit on us more. If you're tired of getting shit on from both sides, then consider voting third party. For one, you'll have at least voted, and for another, although you'll have thrown your vote away, you can at least take solace in knowing that you haven't whored your vote away like a street corner prostitute.